Hey guys, today we're checking out the AceGamer T50 wireless pocket controller, and it supports the Nintendo Switch 1 and 2, PC, iOS, and Android. And it's got special thumbsticks that can disappear into the body so they can't be damaged when traveling. It's also got a 6-axis gyro sensor, and even at this size, it's got dual motor vibration as well. It's got a 1000 Hz pulling rate, a 400 milliamp rechargeable battery, giving you 8 hours of gaming time, and it can be connected to devices with Bluetooth 5.3 or with USB, with the controller itself having a USB Type-C connection. And on the back you'll find 2 switches. These will pop out the thumbsticks, so you can see they go down for traveling and out for gaming. So very freaking cool. And be noted, this controller does not have a dongle. A lot of other controllers that you buy these days will have a dongle you can USB into your machine and then wirelessly play that way. This has to be connected either up to Bluetooth in your device or with a wired connection. And you'll notice it has all the features you're looking for in a controller, but just in a smaller package. You're losing definitely ergonomics because, of course, it is so much smaller and harder to hold, but you're doing that, of course, to save space and to have a controller that really can take quite a pounding when you just lob this in with your luggage. There will be links in the description below if you want to go check them out. I've got no affiliates or anything like that, so this is purely just checking out some really cool kit. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.